everyone, I'm Farah and welcome to Digitella. Today we'll learn about what are some of the best courses to learn Python in the easiest and fastest way possible from my experience as someone who has been learning Python for quite a long time. So, a little story time. I started learning Python back when I was in high school, where I was introduced to the PyCharm IDE, which is a coding environment where I used to learn Python coding at school, but then I took it as a hobby and tried to solve more Python challenges on JetBrains Academy, which is now known as Hyperskill. Back then, I remember being motivated to learn on JetBrains Academy solely because I enjoyed looking at the visuals and the design of the website, and it was just so calming to look at. To be honest, the platform has changed a lot and I can't really remember what course I did there, but all I can remember is that I was trying to finish modules to become better at Python in the form of a roadmap, where each time you solve some challenges, you become closer to mastering the key essentials of Python. One of the courses I would highly recommend is the Introduction to Python course. It takes about 26 hours to complete, so if you're doing 2 hours a day, you can finish it in 13 days. Plus, you get a certificate too after completion, which is a bonus since you can share it on LinkedIn, which is great to increase your chances of getting a job in tech or just to promote yourself as an employee. And after completing this course, you'll have gained a basic understanding of Python and you'll kind of want to expand on that more. So then you have another course to study, which is known as the PCAP Programming Essentials in Python at Cisco Academy. So my experience with this course was pretty good. It covered a lot of important topics like exceptions and object-oriented programming, which is a way of coding that treats variables and constants as objects, which is different from procedural programming, known to be more as linear, and it uses the step-by-step approach. And I think my favorite part of the course is that the projects you get to do whilst learning these new concepts, because it essentially tests your understanding to a whole new level. Something I really wish that I've done while doing the course was taking my time when doing the projects. The projects are meant to be hard and long, so you need more time to plan your project to make it work and fulfill all the criteria the question asks. I would usually set myself a 30 to 15 minute timer to plan and write a solution to it, and then try until the timer ends and see if the solution is correct or not. It might seem so long, but as you get better at creating projects, you'll get faster in creating them. You'll likely take 15 or 10 minutes as you get used to it. This course took about 2 months for me to complete by dedicating an hour every day to study the course. However, feel free to adjust your studying hours according to your commitments and priorities, as it will help you be more consistent with studying the course. By the end of the course, you'll get a certificate of completion after you've passed all your end of module quizzes. And actually, one tip I would give you to ace these end of module quizzes is to write down key ideas of each module you complete and learn from any mistakes you made in the previous sub-module quizzes, as that will really reduce your likelihood of failing the quizzes, which will save time, of course. I used Notion to make notes since it has the code format feature, which is a really great feature since you can copy code from the study material and keep it for revision later. You can create a portfolio out of the projects that you've created during that course and add it on GitHub, which is a really great way to show your commitment and hard work. So if you completed these 2 courses, well done. You can continue developing your Python skills by solving Python challenges or on HackerRank. And you can also use it to prepare for technical interviews. There are endless challenges you can solve. I think it's a really great website to keep your problem-solving skills sharp in Python and other programming languages. However, if you want to take another Python course, there's the Python Core course on JetBrains Academy, which is on Hyperskill. This takes about 112 hours, so it's going to take approximately 2 months if you dedicate 2 hours a day to study this course. The only downside of the course is that it doesn't offer the certificate of completion for free, but it teaches you advanced concepts like applying data processing techniques for handling various data sources from HTML, which is used to create web pages, relating to data science. I think the great thing about this course is that it teaches you how to create and add your real-life Python projects that you've created during that course on GitHub, which is really beneficial for promoting your projects. And an extra tip I would give is to use ChatGPT to help you in learning Python by using it to ask questions on how a certain section of your code works or just the purpose of it. First, try using prompts like, "I'm new to Python, can you help me learn how to code in Python?" Then you can ask questions you want to ask by asking your question, then add the section of the code in brackets, and then hit enter to get the answer that you want. And I'm also going to link a Notion template for you to use, which contains all the courses and resources I've mentioned in the video, so make sure to check it out by pressing on the link in the description box below. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like it and comment down below what video you would like me to do in the future. Thank you for watching, and bye!